Hey there, welcome to my channel. Here are 10 mind-blowing facts about Earth you probably didn't know. Number 10. Earth's core spins differently. Deep within our planet, the Earth's core rotates a little faster than the rest of the planet. This was discovered by a team of scientists led by a geophysicist. They used seismic waves generated by earthquakes to study the movement of the core and found that it rotates at a slightly different speed from the rest of the planet. The inner core is thought to spin faster because it is able to rotate more easily without any friction. The outer core, which is liquid, slows down the rotation of the inner core. And it's this difference in rotation that creates Earth's magnetic field. No. 9. Our atmosphere reaches beyond the moon. Earth's atmosphere is incredibly vast. It extends far beyond the planet's surface. In fact, the exosphere, the outermost layer of the atmosphere, reaches over 600,000 kilometers into space. That's further than the distance between the Earth and the Moon. The atmosphere is what allows us to breathe and survive on Earth. It also protects us from harmful space radiation. Without it, our planet would be a barren wasteland. No. 8. The Amazon creates its own rain. The Amazon rainforest is one of the most important ecosystems on Earth. It's home to a variety of plant and animal species and also plays a vital role in regulating the global climate. But did you know that the Amazon can create its own rain? Yes, it's true. The massive amount of water vapor released by the forest through transpiration creates its own rainfall, which accounts for up to half of all the rain the region receives. Number 7. The driest place isn't the Sahara. The driest place on Earth isn't the Sahara Desert. While the Sahara receives less than 1 inch of rain per year, there are parts of the Atacama Desert in Chile that have not seen a drop of rain for centuries. Some areas of the desert have been without rain for over 400 years. The lack of rain makes it difficult for anything to grow in the area. There are no plants or animals, and the landscape is barren and dry. No. 6. The deepest spot. Earth's deepest point is the Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean. The trench is nearly 11 kilometers deep. That's deeper than Mount Everest is tall. The Mariana Trench is so deep that if you were to drop a bowling ball there, it would take over 3 minutes to hit the ground. The extreme pressure at the bottom of the trench makes it inhospitable for most life forms. However, scientists have found some unique creatures living in the Mariana Trench, such as the Japanese spider crab and the anglerfish. No. 5. Earth has gravity anomalies. Earth's gravity varies depending on where you are on the planet. This is due to factors such as altitude and the density of the Earth's crust. For example, the area around Hudson Bay in Canada has weaker gravity than other areas at the same altitude. This is due to the fact that the ice sheets in the region have melted in recent years, exposing denser rock that doesn't contribute to the gravitational pull. As a result, people in the area experience a slight reduction in body weight. No. 4. A day isn't exactly 24 hours. A day on Earth is not exactly 24 hours long. In fact, the planet's rotation is slowing down, which means that each day is actually a few milliseconds longer than the previous one. This is due to the increase in mass on the equatorial bulge caused by Earth's rotation. As a result, the length of a day will continue to increase in the future. No. 3. Antarctica holds most of the world's fresh water. Antarctica holds more than 90% of all the world's fresh water. However, most of it is locked away in ice sheets and glaciers. Only a small percentage of the water is available for human use. The continent has an estimated 26 million cubic kilometers of fresh water, but more than 99% of that is frozen. No. 2. New species discovered daily. New species of plants and animals are discovered every day. In fact, around 10,000 new species are identified each year. Many of these new species are found in remote areas of the world, such as the Amazon rainforest and the deep sea. With so many undiscovered species still out there, it's likely that we'll continue to find new life on Earth for many years to come. Number 1. Earth is the only planet with plate tectonics. Plate tectonics is a theory in geology that explains the large-scale motion of Earth's lithosphere. It's the driving force behind the formation of continents, earthquakes, and volcanoes. And it's also responsible for the diversity of life on Earth. The theory was first proposed in the 1960s and has since been supported by a wealth of evidence. Plate tectonics is unique to Earth and is thought to be a major factor in our planet's ability to support life. Well, there you have it, folks. From the deepest point on Earth to the fact that our planet spins differently on the inside, there's a lot that we don't know about the world around us. I hope you learned something new and exciting about our planet today. Which fact blew your mind the most? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing facts. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.